Hi, my name is Larry Newman. Today I want to talk to you about primacy and recency. That means the first and the last. And why it's so important, because psychologically, the thing that we see first and the thing that we see last, we tend to remember. We forget everything that happens in between. That's why they have to grab your attention at the beginning of a movie. That's why they have to finish it at the end with something that's memorable, because we remember what's first and we remember what's last. And why is this important in the criminal defense arena? When you're going into court for the first time, it's important to make a great first impression. How do you make a great first impression? 3 things. Number 1 is how you look. Number 2 is how you present yourself. And number 3 is being on time. So, first thing, how you look. If you're a person that doesn't wear a suit every day, I don't advise people to come with a suit, but covering up skin is always a good idea. So even if it's the summertime and it's sweltering hot outside, wear a long sleeve shirt, wear pants or wear a skirt, wear something to cover up the skin that you wouldn't show. Think about, you're not going to the beach, you're going to court. And we want to have respect for the court, we want to have respect for the judge, we want to have respect for the process, so we want to cover up as much skin as possible. We want to tie up our shirt up to the top, maybe open the first button, but not beyond that. No hats are allowed in court, can't cover our heads. If you have jewelry that may be offensive, take it out. If you have things that you think may be offensive, cover them up as much as possible. I've represented people and I believe in the right to free expression. But if you have things that are going to make people mad, or potentially are, I've had people that I've represented and they had all kinds of things written on their arms, written on their legs with tattoos. If you can cover some of those up before we go into court, because most of the judges that are on the bench are conservative or don't like some of the things that people have displayed, or they may not understand it. So I think cover those things up. Secondly, be on time for court. Be on time for court. I'm early for court. I believe you show up early because you show that there's respect for the process. You show that you're responsible because you're timely. And the last thing is, if we need to bring in papers, we need to bring in the driver's license, or we need to bring in proof for a driver's license, or we need to bring in proof to the judge about taking the drug alcohol evaluation, all those types of papers need to be with you at the time that you go to court. If you're going to court, prepare to go to court. I prepare the clients to go to court because I want to make a great first impression, because I believe as a relationship begins well, it also tends to end well. And if it begins badly, it tends to end badly. I can tell you, you probably know within your life, if you start out with somebody and it's not really together and you have all kinds of problems or hiccups, it's usually not going to end very well either. So primacy, recency. We want to make sure that we begin well so we end well. If you have a question about your case in the upstate region, either give me a call, shoot us an email, fill out for our website. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe below.